Alright, now after you folded this model, I'm going to show you how to make it locked like this. So here we go. So to do that, let's adjust my camera. Okay, you want to lift this up like this, and you want to hold both of these flaps at the same time. And you want to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Crease sharply, and then now you want to fold this edge over this edge now. Just like that. And then now, it's not really going to lie flat, so you just want to pinch it so it stays. See, that's how you do it. Alright, now I'll show you again on this one, and I'll fast forward the rest. So lift this up, hold them both at the same time, and take the edge and fold it onto the edge. And then now fold it over the edge. And then just kind of just pinch it really good so it stays. And there you go, that's what it looks like. Alright, repeat that 3 more times. Alright, now once you did that, now it's really well locked. So now it can't open at all. And you can still reopen it, just undo just that flap right there. And then the other 5. So just the top flap there. Alright, and now you can open it up and stick a gift in there. And then close it back up. And you can relock it by folding the flaps over. This kind of almost looks like a star, these flaps here, if you look closely at it. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to follow this and were able to make it lock. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.